Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about commerce and finance education in India. Primarily, I'm going to talk on 5 areas. I'm going to talk about the qualities which a candidate should possess in order to pursue a degree in commercial studies or financial studies in India. I'm also going to talk about the degree options which are available. I'm going to talk on eligibility criteria for most of these degree courses, entrance exams which are available at the national level, and I'm going to talk on the professions which one can pursue after finishing their degree in these areas post grade 12. So let's start with the quality check for finance and commercial studies in the candidate. First thing which is most important is the candidate who wishes to pursue a degree in commercial studies or financial studies has to have a very high academic orientation. That means the candidate should be good with basic studies. Along with that, the candidate should have strength or good hold in mathematics and economics with affinity towards accounts and statistics as subjects if you wish to pursue pure commercial studies or financial studies. One needs to have interest in financial management and data analysis, and one needs to have the ability to spend long hours working on data and data analysis either on paper and or on computer. The degree options which one can pursue in the area of commerce or finance in India are BCom, BCom honors. One can do BCom professional. There is a BCom available in the area of sports, computer sciences. One can also do BBA in finance or BSc in finance, and also there is a combination degree available known as BCom LLB where you can specialize in commerce along with law. There are certification courses also available in India which one can pursue either along with the graduation or after finishing your graduation, which can be CA, that is Chartered Accountant, CS, Company Secretary, CFA, Financial Analyst, CFP, Finance Planner, Cost and Works Accountant, Investment Analyst. You can get and certain certifications from NSC or BSc if you want to work in the area of stocks and share market, and you can also become a certified actuary. The entrance exams which are available in the area of commerce and finance line would be Narsee Monjee has its own entrance exam, Christ University, you have Indraprastha University Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia, BHU, Delhi University has few entrances, then Alliance University, Jain University, PDPU Gandhinagar, and also there is a national level entrance exam known as UGAT, through which there are few private universities who take students for either commerce or finance area. Basically, the eligibility criteria for getting into commerce or finance line would be 10+2 in any stream, but there are few colleges which may require either mathematics or statistics as a compulsory subject in 11th 12th in order to allow children to take degree from those colleges. The professions which one can continue with can be becoming an actuary, you can become an auditor, banker, chartered accountant, company secretary, cost and works accountant, finance analyst, finance planner, finance controller, investment analyst, statistician, stockbroker, tax auditor, tax consultant, and so on and so forth. I hope this video gives you some insight about commerce or finance as a degree program or certification program in India after grade 12. If you have any questions, you can please put your questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.